Welcome to the NAS channel. This is $9 million tropical mansion, located in San Diego, California, United States. Villa del Teatro is a new construction within the famed Muirlands neighborhood that is unlike any other in recent years. Marengo Coastal Development is proud to present their latest custom home with ocean views from every room, an impeccable amount of stone and tile work, infinity pool and jacuzzi, and an expansive rooftop terrace with TV and fire pit. Upon driving into the roughly 1,300 square foot garage, one takes the home's elevator up to the main floor where the open floor plan creates the perfect space for entertaining. The massive family room with floor-to-ceiling windows, wall-to-wall fireplace, and plenty of space for lounging is perfect for a large family. The ocean-facing infinity pool, right off of the family room, is unlike any other in the neighborhood and has a connecting waterfall jacuzzi. The massive infinity edge was tiled with porcelain, making the home's facade impressive and sure to stand out amongst others, especially when illuminated at night. The halo awning, a new feature in the custom home space, allows for maximum sunlight while also allowing the possibility for shade when desired. It also possesses in-ceiling speakers perfect for outdoor entertaining.